Hey, what's up everybody? It's Meredith, Shirk Training, and I'm super excited because today I'm sitting, I have water, I'm mellow because we're doing a meditation. Now, a lot of times people misinterpret what a meditation is used for, and people think that they just have to sit and be quiet and not think about anything for an extended amount of time, and they feel weird and fidgety, and their brain is like in the background with little monkeys, you know, like you can't focus. And so the focus is really the practice of just resting your body and knowing that like you have the time and you need the time to sit, even if it's just for 30 seconds. Even if it's for a minute tomorrow, and next week it's 2 minutes, and then it's 4 minutes, and then 8 minutes, and all of a sudden you can sit in meditation for an hour. Really, it's just sitting with yourself in silence, knowing that you have a lot of thoughts, and thoughts are the scariest thing that are gonna come to your head. And they're the only thing that come to your head, but they're gonna be the scariest things because there's a lot of noise. So what I want you to do is sit, comfortable position. You can be on a chair, on the ground, just something soft, because you're gonna lay down as well, kind of with your feet in your knees in a bent position on your back. So take a big breath into your nose, blow it out your mouth, and just close your eyes for a second. Relax your neck and your shoulders, and just keep your breath nice and even. Because that's the one thing that's gonna be constant that you don't have to think about. That's gonna keep you grounded and keep you here. Here meaning in your body and not in your head, because that's what meditation is about, is being present here. Take a big breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, and let everything out, all of the thoughts. Roll your neck and just feel yourself kind of melt a little bit. I'm always on top of everybody about posture, but I don't want any posture right now. I want you to just be. Let your shoulders kind of come down. Let your hands rest comfortably. Take a big breath in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth and just let all of that tension kind of let go and let your body just kind of rest. I have my eyes closed. You can close your eyes, but stay present to where you are. Big breath in. Just let all of that air out and let yourself just melt a little bit. In through your nose, nice and deep through your stomach. Let it out. Just go 2 more. Really deep breath in through your nose. Fill up your lungs and your chest and your stomach, deep into your belly. And let out all the air. Just let yourself rest. Let your hands be loose. We're so tense all the time. Just let everything be easy. Enjoy the feeling of your back just not being at attention and just kind of being able to just roll and letting your spine rest and roll in a comfortable position. And you transition onto your back now. Bending your feet, bending your knees, putting your feet on the ground, and just let yourself melt into the ground. Taking that big breath in, feeling all of the pressure points that are touching the mat or the floor or the bed, wherever you are, the wall, so you stay present to all of those points of connection to a different source of grounding energy. So just put your body at rest and allow yourself to get absorbed by whatever you're sitting in. In through the nose, out through your mouth. Now think about when you're breathing, inhaling for 3 seconds, holding for 3 seconds, and releasing for 3 seconds. So in with me for 3, holding, and again, hold it, and release. Again, hold, release. And just let your legs come down and your arms come overhead and reach. Feel like you're a mile long and you're like a piece of gum getting stretched from your fingertips all the way down to your toes. Squeeze your ears. Feel your stomach pulling away from your hip bones and your ribs as you close down your rib cage. As you breathe. Expanding up all of that air, breathing it out. And then when you sit here and you lay here and you think about your body touching whatever you're laying on, is anything that big of a deal in your life, or in exercise, or in emotions, when all you can feel is just your body against whatever it is that you have, and the constant is your breath. So if you can be consistent with something like this that allows you to be present in your body and where you are right now, there's nothing that's that big of a deal in your life that you can't just take a second to take a second. Because in the end, it all works out. Good, one more big breath through your nose. Let your ankles try to just rest now. Legs out to the side, just no structure, just be whatever's comfortable. If you're outside, hopefully you can feel the sun. If you're inside, if you have air conditioning, any kind of breeze to bring you back to something outside of what you're sitting on and inside of your body. Listen to everything around you. Hear the noises and let them pass. Because you don't have that much time for this, right? You don't give yourself that much time for this, I should say. We all have time. We don't allow ourselves to take it. Big breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Your nose, out through your mouth. Okay. So come to your eyes open now. A little bit of a shocker here. Eyes open, breathing. Take a second, get your body moving. And I just want you to feel how this is right now. All you are is just you on the mat. Not asking you to do anything else, not telling you you're anything else, but just you right now. And just enjoy that feeling. And just let your body rest. Let legs go down one more time to the sides. One more big breath in through your nose. Breathe all of that out. And just sit here. 30 seconds, just completely still and silent. Focusing on the only thing is your breath and your heartbeat. Sounds will come and thoughts will come. When you hear them, acknowledge them and just let them go. Good. Count down from 10 inside of your head. With every breath, releasing a little bit more of what you thought you expected from something. Just let it go, the expectation of whatever it is that you have in your mind. So you're not disappointed and all you have to do is just exist. Big breath in through your nose. All right, start wiggling a little bit here. Bring your legs up. Come to a seated position. Don't get a head rush. Don't get eaten by mosquitoes if you're outside. Take a second, take some water, come back to a sitting position. I really am getting eaten by a mosquito. See, I'm just like, it's okay. We're okay. But this is what a meditation is about. It's about being able to ground yourself when things are crazy. When things are crazy and chaotic around you and there's mosquitoes and things trying to bite you, that you can actually sit and take a second and know that you can be okay, that you can take a breath and you can meditate and you can rest your body and your mind and you're not expected to do anything and you're good enough just being right here doing nothing. It's really important that you give yourself that time and that you accept that you need it and you want it and your body is screaming for it. So do yourself a favor, take a second to take a second. If you like this, make sure you share it with everybody else. I'll see you guys on the next one.